Hello and welcome to your LenzVU account setup tutorial. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get your account up and running smoothly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your core settings configured and be ready to start using your LenzVU and FitDEGREE integration with confidence. Setting up your account in advance will help streamline your operations and ensure a seamless experience for you and your clients. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Let's get started. Start by logging into your LenzVU dashboard and head on over to the settings page on the bottom left of your screen. Here you'll be greeted with company-specific settings. Start by uploading your company logo by clicking the prompt and selecting the appropriate file. Make sure to upload the file as a PNG or JPG. Now you'll want to input your company name, type of business, specific time zone, and website URL. Please make sure to input the entire URL including the HTTP. In regards to email settings, set the subject to your company name so clients are aware where the email is coming from as well as the specific sender name. For now, set the Let LenzVU handle email replies toggle to off and what email address you want clients to reply to. Now, in order to set up your integration with FitDEGREE, head on down to the bottom of the page and select Configure Integrations. Select the intended software, which in this case is FitDEGREE, and you will be asked to enter your API key. This key can be found by logging into your FitDEGREE managerial account by clicking on Setup, heading over to API Keys under Integrations and select Create a new API key. Give it a label so you can copy and paste this key into the text box on your LenzVU account. Once that's in place, the FitDEGREE icon should appear and you can copy your LenzVU webhook URL and paste it into FitDEGREE under New Webhook. Just a heads up, it will take about 24 hours to sync contacts. Now with the basics in place, head on over to the default styling tab at the top of the page. Here you can update your company colors and fonts. This will come to good use when creating an email template with our AI email generator. Once those are in place, click Save and input your active social media links to the appropriate platform titles at the bottom of the page. These will become accessible to clients when using the socials variable. As always, don't forget to click Save. Now you can head on over to the Phone tab at the top. If you already have a company phone number, just let us know and we will import it over. For the time being, please register a temporary number so we can verify your account first. Start by inputting your name, address, city, state or province, postal code, and country. From here, scroll down and input your country and state or province to narrow down your list of available phone numbers. Select Update Available Phone Numbers and select Register on the one you like for your studio. Once confirmed, you should see your registered phone number on the top right corner of your screen. Before we move on to the next Settings tab, scroll down to find the A2P registration button and select Begin. You only need to fill out steps 1 to 3 and make sure the set business name matches the name on your EIN number. Make sure to save each step but click out of the setup for step 4 and 5 as LenzVU will automatically fill out those fields for you. As always, don't forget to hit save at the bottom of the page. With our A2P registration complete, scroll to voicemail under settings where you can fill out your AI voicemail for any missed calls. Make sure to write it out phonetically so there aren't any pronunciation errors. As an example, write out your address with space in between numbers so the voicebot pronounces them individually rather than a whole number. You can set separate voicemails for known and unknown callers depending on whether or not there is an associated client profile to that number. Below are the variables you can put to use, including first name, last name, and company name. Feel free to test your voicemail message to perfect your studio's communication. Once those are in place, click Save and move on to your auto-reply text for missed calls. If a call isn't answered within 90 seconds, this text message will be sent to the caller. You can input something along the lines of "Thanks for calling and we'll get back to you as soon as we can." As always, click Save. Onto the Notifications tab, turn the toggle on for email notifications for SMS and input the intended email subject and address or addresses using the comma button to separate them. Do the same for missed calls and closed conversations to make sure you're keeping track of any crucial notifications. Just a heads up, you will also receive these notifications on your LenzVU dashboard. You can keep the incoming emails toggle off for now unless you'd like more than one staff member to receive notifications for it by using the comma. Once you're ready, make sure to hit Save. Moving on to the Automation tab, here you can set your automation office hours. This is your studio's email and SMS time window for automations. In other words, if you only want your clients to receive notifications at certain hours, you can set the earliest time as well as the latest time they would be able to do so. For example, I've just set my time window to 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Any notifications that are automated outside that time window from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. will receive that notification at 8 a.m. when the time window opens back up. If you want some automations to follow the time window and some not to, no worries, as you can always set the automation to not follow office hours. Make sure to hit Save. In regards to the smart AI settings for your website chatbot, reach out to our support team or check out our other videos. For one last key part of your account setup, head on over to the Staff and Roles tab on the left-hand side of your screen and start by selecting Staff. Here you can add, manage, and keep track of new staff members' account settings. To add a new staff member, click Add Staff on the top right of the screen and input their details below. Notice the Roles option only has the admin role available. Head on over to the Roles tab where you can add new roles, update their permissions, and see which staff members fall under that title. Add a new role by clicking Add Role on the top right of the screen, give it a name, and decide which permissions you want to give these roles. Just make sure to click Save when editing either. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your LenzVU account and integrated it with FitDEGREE. We hope this guide has helped you get your account configured smoothly and confidently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.